Have you ever been in a traffic situation, whether in a car or a van or a truck or a Vespa? Have you yourself or someone you may know, like your mother or a relative or a cousin or a dog or a child or a cricket or a celebrity or someone that you may have read about on an internet weblog, ever misused a vehicle horn? If you answered yes to one or two of these questions, I have good news for you. I have created a video on the proper uses of your car horn just for you. When this song comes on the radio, this is the proper method for honking your horn.
I'm a drum machine.
Zilelor, ca o târpă într-o lume fără trătoare.